Hi, good day. Please introduce yourself.
Hi, I'm Roderica Velasquez. I'm 36 years old. I'm a single. I have three children, two girls. My eldest is 16. My 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 two girls is 13, and my youngest is 2 years old. I have a partner, and I'm a college level graduate and nursing aide.
Okay. So, how many brother and sisters do you have?
I have three sisters. All I'm the youngest.
Okay. Please tell me about your working experience.
I'm working in 2021 to 2023. I have one couple and one kids. I have all cost of market, mm, cleaning, washing, and take their kids.
Okay. So, if ever there's a newborn baby, are you willing to take care?
Yes,
What will you do if the baby is crying?
and I will check her pampers, and I will, if I will not stop crying, I will check her temperature, or I will sing a song for her.
Okay. So, if ever the baby or the children is naughty, what will you do?
I will, I will, I will, I will, I will sing her, and I will.
Do you have a long patient for them?
Pardon,
Do you
sir.
have a long patient for them?
Yes,
Do you know how to read a book stories for them?
yes,
Can you sing a nursery song for them?
yes.
Can you sing now?
Um, Johnny, Johnny, yes, Papa. Eating sugar, no, Papa. Telling lies, no, Papa.
Okay, thank you. Are you scared dogs and cats?
No, because I have a dog and cats in my heart.
Why do you want to come to Hong Kong?
I will, I will, I will financially my family,
Who will take care of your children when you work in Hong Kong?
my mother and my husband, my
Oh,
partner.
okay. If ever you have homesick, how can you avoid it?
I will focus my work, and I will
Do you have any
that
allergy?
nothing. No.
Do you love cooking?
Yes.
What food can you cook?
Food, native food, any food in Filipinos.
But are you willing to do the Chinese cooking?
Yes.
If ever the employer wants you to the car washing without extra pay, are you okay?
Yes.
If ever there is an elder person in your employer house, are you willing to work and assist the elder person?
Yes.
If ever your employer will not let you go to holiday and they will pay you, are you okay?
Yes. Also.
Do you have tattoo in your body?
Yes.
In which part?
The back and the neck and the heart and the shoulder.
Okay. Can you promise not to loan money in Hong Kong?
Yes.
Okay, lastly, what is your message to your future employer to hire you?
Hi, sir and mom. I hope you hire me, and I will treasure your good work and be honest with you. And
Are you hardworking and willing to do under pressure?
yes, mom.
Can you promise to finish your 2 years contract?
Yes, sir.
Okay, see you in Hong Kong.
Thank you. Hello. Bye. Thank you.